Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your cash on delivery payment method based on number of products in your cart. For example, you don't need cash on delivery. Someone orders like 10 products. For example, someone is ordering a six product of this and you don't need cash on delivery. You need cash on delivery only up to five products in their cart, right? So that we'll be showing in this video. So for this video, I'm using the Nex Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install the app from Shopify App Store. Also attach the app link in the description of this video. And after installing the app, you'll be on the homepage of this app. Then you can see limit cash on delivery, right? So you can click on this configure button, enable the global rule. That's our first step. And next step is we select our cash on delivery payment method, right? And if you already added cash on delivery fee using this particular app, you can select that shipping method also. So I just added one. So I'm selecting that cash on delivery shipping, right? And next is our cart thing, right? So it's on the cart section. You can see restrict based on number of products. So for example, I'm toggling on this and we can have different operators. So for example, I'm selecting greater than or equal. So if my product count, like cart count is above 6, I don't need cash on delivery. Above 6 or equal to 6, I don't need cash on delivery. That's what I set up. So I'm just saving it, right? Once I saved, I'm coming back to my online store. I'm just reloading it and adding 4 of them. I'm trying to buy now. So if you look, you can see cash on delivery. And if I fill an address also, so you can see the cash on delivery fees will be also added. It's free shipping, then prepaid. And if I select cash on delivery shipping, then cash on delivery. So that's how when I'm trying to buy 4 of them, I'm adding this product of 4 to the cart and I'm adding this product of 3, like 3 of them to the cart. Now you can see it's above 6. I'm trying to check out. Then you can see cash on delivery is not there. And if I fill a address also, you can see still cash on delivery is not there. So this is how you can hide cash on delivery based on your number of products in the cart. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.